Today at Fire Station 11, we hope to give toys out to over 70 school shelters and nonprofits. Today we hope to give out at least 3,000 to 4,000 toys. Right now we have preschools and daycare centers showing up from Fairfax County, Alexandria, as far as away as Prince George's County, Maryland, and Alexandria City. These kids, most of these families are living at the poverty line or below the poverty line. We have numerous companies, businesses, and organizations supporting us today to make this happen. We have the police department, we have the sheriff's office here today, numerous local businesses including Apple Federal Credit Union, Nationwide Credit Corporation. I can go on and on about the companies and businesses that are supporting us because this stuff, it costs. It's not given to us. We have to pay for a lot of these items. And on top of the toys, we're also giving out 500 to 600 new coats today as well. In October, we gave out 2,000 brand new coats, and we hope to give out another 500 or more today. We started it 15 years ago, helping 50 kids in the Gum Springs area. It was supposed to be a one-time event. It went from getting toys for 50 kids to now in August we give out a couple thousand backpacks with school supplies. In October we do a couple of thousand new coats. And now during the holidays we give out enough toys for 3,000 to 4,000 kids.